In this video, I'll show you how to create a numbered list on Google Docs. If you want to organize steps, instructions, or items in order, a numbered list is one of the easiest tools to use in Google Docs. Google's official help says you can create one directly from the toolbar on a computer, and you can also do it in the mobile app on Android, iPhone, and iPad. Let's start on a computer. Open your Google Docs document and click in the place where you want the list to begin. Then go to the toolbar at the top and click the numbered list button. If you do not see it right away, click the More option in the toolbar and then choose Numbered List. As soon as you select it, you can start typing your first item. Press Enter on your keyboard to move to the next line, and Google Docs will automatically continue the numbering for you. If you want to change the style of the numbers, Google Docs also lets you do that. Click on one of the numbers in your list, then go to Format, choose Bullets and Numbering, and select Numbered List. From there, you can pick a different numbering style. This is helpful if you want a cleaner look or a format that matches the rest of your document. Now let's look at the mobile app. On Android, open your document in the Google Docs app and tap Edit. Then tap where you want the list to start, tap Format at the top, and choose the Numbered List option. If you want to change the list style, tap the right arrow for list options. On iPhone or iPad, the steps are very similar. Open the document, tap Edit, tap where you want the list, tap Format, then tap Paragraph, and choose Numbered List. Here's one extra tip that can save time on a computer. Google's keyboard shortcuts page says you can create a numbered list with Ctrl+Shift+7. That is useful if you want to work faster without moving your hand to the toolbar every time. So that's how to create a numbered list on Google Docs. Click where you want the list, choose the Numbered List button, and then press Enter after each item to keep the numbering going. On mobile, open the formatting tools and select the numbered list option from there. It is quick, simple, and perfect for step-by-step content. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.